In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from Dropbox in 2025. Whether you're looking to free up some space or just want to clean up your digital life, deleting files from Dropbox is a straightforward process that can be done from your web browser. First things first, you'll want to head over to dropbox.com and sign into your account. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials when prompted. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your Dropbox homepage, where you can see all your folders and files. Next, you need to locate the file you wish to delete. Browse through your folders, navigating your way to the specific file that needs to be removed. This can be done by scrolling through your file list or using the search feature if you know the file's name. Once you've found your file, hover your mouse over it. As you hover, you'll notice a set of 3 dots, also known as the ellipsis, appears next to the file name. This is your action menu. Click on the ellipsis to open a drop-down menu with several options. Look for the delete option in this menu and select it. At this point, Dropbox will prompt you for confirmation, asking if you're sure you want to delete the file. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletion, so make sure you've selected the correct file. Once you're ready, go ahead and click delete again to confirm. Congratulations, you've successfully deleted a file from your Dropbox account. That file will now be moved to your Dropbox trash, which retains deleted files for 30 days. This means you can still recover it if you deleted it by mistake. It's important to remember that managing your Dropbox files efficiently can help maintain ample storage space and keep your account organized. Regularly clearing out unused files ensures you have room for the most important ones. Use the search function to quickly find files you're no longer using. Also, consider rearranging or renaming files and folders to better match your needs, making it easier to locate them in the future. In conclusion, deleting files from Dropbox is a simple yet essential task. It keeps your account tidy and ensures you have enough space for new files. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Dropbox tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.